All right, let's talk about Writesonic. I'm going to go over the platform, what it does, give you pros and cons, and talk about really good alternatives so you guys can make the best decision possible if this is the right platform for you. So the short and sweet of it, Writesonic helps you win customers from AI search. If you don't know, if you're living under a rock, AI search is really important to traffic, really important to getting traffic, to get seen. You want to make sure that your brand and your business is getting shown on AI citations, AI search, AI overviews, all of the things. So that is what this company is claiming to help you with. So let's talk about the pros and cons of this platform. So starting with the pros first, the end-to-end, not just a dashboard. So basically most tools show the gap and then stop. Writesonic ships the fix and measures the result, which is pretty cool. In terms of getting seen more on AI overviews. It tracks the top 10 AI platforms, so ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Google AIO, Copilot, Gronk, and more, versus a 2B conversion data set, and it's updated weekly. So lots of AI platforms that it tracks, which is really good because there's so many out there now. Tells you what to fix first. The Action Center ranks the top 5 to 10 moves that matter this week by visibility and citation impact. Real execution built in. It's an agent that rewrites pages for GEO, FAQs, comparison tables, schema, even robots, TXT auto fixes. And then enterprise grade and connected. So it allows you to connect to all of these, including WordPress API, has MCP. They're saying it's used by Amazon, MP Digital, so highly connectable to those platforms. The cons, where the rubber meets the road. So content is still manual, so there's no true set and forget. You write and strategize, lots of forms and buttons, but it's not fully conversational. Best features are upsold, so AI visibility tracking and content strategy sits behind upgrades above the $79 a month base plan. Opaque content research. So it won't show you how it researches. Thin AI regurgitated pages risk Google penalties. So it's not showing you the back end of how it does its research. Tracking has limits. It pings AI via APIs, not just a live chatbot, in small samples. Treat trends as directional, not gospel. And then there's no backlink engine. It drafts citation outreach, but has no link building exchange, and links are still a top ranking factor. So the verdict, it's great if you want AI search tracking plus execution plus proof in one place. Skip it if you need hands-off content and automated backlinks. So a platform, a good alternative to this that meets a lot of the needs that this does not, and covers a lot of the cons that this has, is Arvo. So this is a fantastic all-in-one content machine. It has a lot of bells and whistles that basically helps you get seen and shown on AI overviews, AI search, all the things with the content that you're creating. So first and foremost, the main driver of this is creating amazing bottom of the funnel, high search intent content. So you can easily do that. You can create SEO articles here, put in a keyword, a title, and then you can add in your brand assets. So this is adding value and it's using your brand to generate content. So it's not AI slop, which is really important. You don't want to get dinged by Google and the AI. So you can add in the language, your knowledge base. So training materials, case studies, your website. So it'll pull that into the content. You can format it, structure, call to action, linking. You can add your sitemap. So it's going to link all your pages together. So you get that SEO structure. Images, you can add your own or it'll do it for you. Videos, you can add your own YouTube or it'll do a relevant YouTube video. And then when you're creating content, it creates amazing SEO structured content tailored to your brand. So you can go in here, open this up. You see the SEO structure, meta description, featured image, alt text, H2s, H3s, and then it has internal and external links. So this is fantastic. And then you can go in here and revise this with the AI, the built-in AI. So it's not manual. You can highlight whatever you want, rewrite it, add keywords, add links, or you go to the AI assistant, just tell it what you want to change. Really cool, really seamless, really efficient. The other cool thing about this is you can create article templates. So these are article templates we created for real estate. You can enter in your own variables. So you're adding a value-driven variable article that is bringing something new. That is what the latest changes with Google. It's really important. You can do stuff with AI, but the problem is people are just copying and pasting AI stuff from Claude, from ChatGPT to their website, adding no value. It's just commodity-driven articles. This allows you to customize and deliver value-added content from an SEO perspective and from your brand perspective. Really, really cool. You can set up an auto blog very easily, so you can have content on autopilot, which is really, really important, and works really seamlessly, really efficient. So you can go in here, boom, set up auto blog, boom, you give it a feed. It's either a keyword feed, a news feed, RSS feed, or a YouTube feed. It'll generate and then publish to your website. So here you can add whatever integrations you want. It'll integrate with any website. So completely hands-off on autopilot, if that's what you want to do. Then the site optimizer, this will analyze and audit your entire website from an SEO perspective. So it does all of these things. Meta description, chronological URLs, alt text, internal links, FAQ schema. It tells you what you have, what you should fix, why you should fix it, and then you can immediately apply the change here. Or if you want to mass apply all the changes, you just click, boom, and then apply all the changes. Really, really cool. Easy to do, just a couple of steps. You can also get automatic backlinks. This is super awesome. So all the users that use Arvo are entered in a backlink pool. And then when you're creating content, it looks at the pool, finds the relevant backlinks, and automatically includes them as external links in your content. So it's doing it for you, it's doing it for other businesses. It only does high quality, relevant backlinks. So you get them on autopilot. Most businesses are getting like 1 to 5 a day in terms of backlinks. Really, really cool. It has an LLM brand monitor. So this will monitor your brand, how it's performing across LLMs, right? So this is an example for SEMrush, but you can see it automatically includes prompts when you put in your website, but you can also include your own prompts. You can go here, add whatever prompts you want, and then you can track the visibility here. You can track the sentiment, positive or negative here over time. You can click into each prompt and see the visibility across all the AIs, all the main AIs, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT. The nice thing about this is you can directly impact this. So this prompt, this search query is very low with visibility. So what I can do is then bounce over to the SEO article creator and go in here and create amazing articles targeting that search query. I go in here, put it in as the title, put a keyword, boom, generate the article, includes my brand assets, and I can directly impact how it's being shown all across LLM platforms. And lastly, it has a site analyzer. This is like Ahrefs. It'll analyze your website traffic, your page traffic for you or your competitors. You can do this however you want to do it. So lots of bells and whistles from an SEO standpoint. Great, fantastic tool to get cited more on AI overviews, AI citations. It's working fantastic for myself and clients' websites as well. So there is a link below. You can try this bad boy out. But that is it. That is the pros and cons, as well as a really good alternative. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you. Check out this other video. Have an amazing rest of your day.